Today we have a Olympiad question. Ariant Olympiad question. So in the first question, trolley X and trolley Y are joined with stretch spring. Trolley X has a twice the mass of trolley Y. So let trolley Y has a mass m. Then trolley X has a mass 2m. That means it has a mass 2m and it has a mass m. When the trolley are released, the acceleration of x is 2 meter per second square. Its acceleration a is equal to 2 meter per second square to the right, this side. What is the initial acceleration of trolley y to the left? Initial acceleration of the trolley. Then we know F is equal to ma. That means mass is 2m into 2. F is equal to 4m. Trolley X has a force of 4m. So both the forces are same in magnitude. So this force is also F is equal to ma. That F has a force 4m and m has a mass m. A is equal to what? So mm cancel. A is equal to 4 meter per second square in a leftward direction. The force exerted by the X is same as the exertion of force on X by Y. So A is equal to 4 meter per second square in a leftward direction. So a block of mass 6 kg is pulled across a rough surface by a 54 Newton force against a friction force F. The acceleration of the block is 6 meter per second square. What is the value of F? There is a friction in this direction, Fx, that is equal to F, and a force is applied here like F1 is equal to 54 Newton and its mass m is equal to 6 kg. A block of mass 6 kg is pulled across a rough surface. Surface is rough. So what is the value of F? And we know F plus F1 plus Fs is equal to F net. F1 is what? 54 plus F is frictional force is F and F net is what? Mass into acceleration ma. and that is equal to 6 into acceleration of 6 meter per second square, that is 6 into 6. Here A is equal to 6 meter per second square. So F becomes 80 Newton. That is, यानी frictional force becomes 80 Newton. A person just support a mass of 20 kg suspended from a rope. What is the resultant force acting on the mass? Here downside there is a mg because of weight. A downward force mg is acting, and there is a tension in this T in upper side, and this block is in rest position. There is no movement. So T minus mg is equal to 0. That means resultant force, net force is 0. Because if there is no motion in this, then acceleration is already 0, A is equal to 0, m is equal to 0. That means net force is 0. The linear momentum P of moving body is one-dimensional frame, varies with time as a P is equal to x plus y into t square. Where x and y are positional constants, the rate of change of momentum is the force that acts on a body. The rate of change of momentum we know P2 minus P1 upon T2 minus T1 is directly proportional to x. We know it. Then dP upon dt is equal to what? Force. The rate of change of momentum is what? Force. So when we differentiate it, dP upon dt, we got d upon dt x plus yt square. That's become 2yt, and that is proportional to t. We got dp by dt is 2yt, and where x and y are constant. In next question, study the figure given below. A 6 kg of mass moving with a speed 2 meter per second, and a 4 kg of mass moving with a speed 1.5 meter per second in the opposite direction. That is before collision. When they collide with each other, what will be the velocity of the combination? Then we know m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 plus m2 into v. Then m1 is equal to what? 6 kg. 6 into 2 meter per second un is plus m2 is what? 4, and ut was 1.5, and that is of minus sign because both are in opposite direction, is equal to m1 plus m2 10 v. 6 plus 4 10 into B. That's become 12 minus 6 into 10 B. That's become V is equal to 0.6 meter per second. That is 0.6 meter per second. If a 35 kg girl is standing on a 20 kg wagon and jumps off, giving the wagon a kick that sets it off at a 3.8 meter per second, then the girl is moving at what meter per second? We know girl mass is 35 kg and wagon mass is 20 kg. Then mu is equal to mb, like mass of wagon is m and speed is u. Then mass of girl is m and speed is v. Then mu is equal to mv. That means 20 into 3.18, 35 into v. That's become v is equal to 20 into 3.8 in 35. And from this we got a result of v. When two bodies of equal mass are moving with equal speed v in opposite direction, then resultant velocity of the combination is what meter per second. When two bodies of equal mass m and speed v in opposite direction collide, then the resultant of velocity of the combination is what? m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 plus m2 into v. So m1 mass is m and speed is u and m2 mass is m. Both the mass are same and speed is also same, but in moving in opposite direction, so we need to require minus sign. m1 plus m2, that means 2m into b. It's become 0. 2m into b becomes 0. If the initial velocity of the bullet of mass 5 gram fired from the gun of mass 5 kg is 250 meter per second, then the velocity of which the gun requires is what meter per second? We know m1 u1 is equal to m2 u2, where m1 is the mass of bullet, so 5 upon 1000 into speed is 250 meter per second. m2 is mass of gun and speed the gun requires its speed, so u2 it's become 5 0 0, that's mean u2 is equal to 0.25 meter per second.